pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
Potato Scones from the Bureau Book 41st edition. For this recipe I'm using 450 grams potatoes mashed, half a teaspoon of salt, 50 grams of butter and 110 grams of self-rising flour. Add the salt, potatoes to the flour and the butter. Which I warmed up because it was cold. Mix it up to a stiff paste. Turn it out onto a floured work surface. Knead it lightly. Roll it out into a circle approximately 23 centimeters and 9 inches diameter. And 10 centimeters, 10 centimeters, half an inch thick. Cut it into triangles. Cook on a hot greased griddle or frying pan for about 4 to 5 minutes for each side. After 5 minutes, turn them over. Nicely browned on both sides. That's it. Done. And now for the taste test. Wow. Absolutely scrumptious. definite 10 out of 10 on the yummy scale.
Well, my pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for